青春是宝贵，双人行相随，手无长青翠。
For over 60 years, at different times, we accompanied you side by side in many different ways. Whether for dates or business trips, wherever you go, we always seek to give you the safest and the most comfortable journey. With you alongside, we will move forward and grow with you. Your best partner, Sanyang Motor. Sanyang Motor is the first international enterprise in Taiwan that manufactures both motorcycles and automobiles. With our rich experience in the industry and our own core technologies, and with our overseas resources, we've established effective marketing channels where we demonstrate our enthusiasm and professionalism, which provide the best customer services. At Sanyang, innovation is a never-ending process. Combining R&D teams from Taiwan, China, and Southeast Asia, we put focus on eco-friendly, humanity, and knowledge economy as the main axis to design, and develop advanced technology which we apply to our production. Combining SYM and Hyundai brands gives us the advantage in leading technologies. Our two-wheel production and distribution areas are currently spread across Taiwan, Vietnam, China, Germany, Italy, and others. Our sales network covers 5 continents and 80 countries. In terms of two-wheel business, Sanyang Motor receives orders from all over the world and allocates production to Taiwan, China, and Vietnam factories. We combine continuous R&D and innovation ability with our self-developing mold, equipment, and integrated production process. This leads us to produce the highest quality two-wheel vehicles. With professionalism, quality awareness, and innovation as core brand values, we've become one of the most trustworthy international brands. We provide the most satisfying products and maintenance services to all customers worldwide through our global SYM distributors. In terms of four-wheel business, Sanyang Motor is proud of the complete automatic production process, including welding, coating, and assembly equipment. Our high-standard vehicle and component manufacturing techniques created opportunities to partner with South Korea's Hyundai Motor and Kia Motor. Our quick development and prompt response to market needs complete marketing system and after-sales services have achieved great sales performance in Taiwan, making us the best overseas partner of Hyundai Motor. In the process of pursuing corporate sustainability, Sanyang Motor strives to be a corporation that society needs, actively participating in environmental conservation, social charity, and educational and cultural events, to give back and fulfill our corporate social responsibility. Facing the business challenges of globalization, we cannot predict the future, but we can meet challenges gallantly. We will secure our foothold in Taiwan, expand international markets with our enthusiasm, and go beyond innovation. We are devoted to the research and development of smart, energy-saving green products, driving SanYoung Motor to become a world-class mobile technology brand that our employees, distributors, and customers are proud of. We will be there for you for each journey in your life and for whatever potential the future brings. We are SanYoung Motor.